Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to use Gen 2 of Runway. So you want to go onto the main screen. We're going to click on Introducing Gen 2. Once we're on the main page, we want to give a good description for Gen 2 to be able to prompt us a image or a video, right? Right here on the Settings tab, you have Interpolate already selected, which is going to smooth out the frames, and then you can upscale, but you need to upgrade for that, and remove watermark. You also need to upgrade for that as well. So here, this is going to be my prompt. A cinematic view overlooking the top of Mount Everest. We're going to click on preview. Just going to take a few seconds. And here are my images. As you can see, they're actually surprisingly very detailed. They kind of look like a photographer took them. And that's actually how you create images on Runway. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.